What's up, everyone?
Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you, the viewers of this video.
We start this video by the name of Allah. Today, we're on a mission to bring a pre-made cat model to life with some sweet animation in Blender. But before we unleash our creativity, gotta make sure the rig is working smoothly. Think of it as the skeleton of our animation. If that's not moving right, our poor cat won't be able to strut its stuff. Once our rig is in tip-top shape, we'll jump into the animation process using the basic timeline. But who wants to waste time with repetitive tasks, right? That's where our secret weapon comes in, Xmirror. This cool feature basically copies movements to the other side of the model, saving us a bunch of clicks and keeping things efficient. Efficiency is key. Animators. Speaking of efficiency, we'll also be utilizing the awesome auto-keying feature for this animation. No more manually setting a million keyframes. Auto-keying takes care of that for us, keeping the animation process smooth and frustration-free. Animating should be fun, not a headache, right? Making it lifelike. The magic of movement. Alright, now we're getting down to the nitty-gritty of animating. Right now, I'm adjusting the hand movement. Think of it like this. Imagine yourself standing up and placing your hands on your hips. See? That's the kind of natural movement we want to capture.
Normally in animation what you do is you copy one pose and you paste it in a mirror form. So you copy the pose with Control Shift C and you paste it with Control Shift V, or simply copy the pose with Control C and you paste the same pose with Control Shift V. This makes more fast, or you can say this speed of the work is very fast. So always remember, try to save time because time is money. Now I will show you the movement of the head.
But it doesn't stop there. The head is super important too. It's like a magnet for the audience's attention. So, I gotta be careful when I move it around. We don't want anything too wacky. Gotta find that sweet spot between realistic and a bit of fun. Exaggeration to make the animation pop. Here's a cool tip for using auto-keying. Hold each pose for 5 to 12 seconds. This little trick adds a touch of realism to the movement. Skip this step, and your animation might feel a bit jerky. Remember, even the best animators started somewhere. And with this knowledge, you're well on your way to creating awesome animations yourself. This video is just a taste of what's to come. Next time, we'll dive deeper into building this cool cat model and its fancy rig using Auto Rig Pro. So, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, hit that subscribe button and join me on this animation journey.
Now you're about to see the animation I made for this cat. See, this is a seamless movement of a body of a cat. I hope you like this video. Please follow for more videos like this.
Thanks for watching.